properties? I'd love to answer them. My Property Circles is the go-to destination for investing together, where you get a group of people and you pool your resources, you share the risks, the reward and the return. Come on through. So basically you come to us with a group of people you'd like to invest with, or we can find a group for you, which is called a property circle. So then you sign up to our structure and we provide you with the legal documents. We have a team of experts that can help you as well. We can even source a property for you if that's what you would like. So far we've had a range of different circles. So we've had renovation circles, development circles. We've had some circles that have started that have just purchased properties with a high rental yield, even commercial properties. Absolutely. We've got circles that are starting all the time that are looking for other members. So just get in touch with us, tell us what you'd like in a circle and we'll help you find one. Would you like a drink? Here you go. Absolutely. We actually have several families that have invested within a property circle at the moment. Yeah, look, this can happen, but what we do is before you go into a circle, you agree on certain terms. How long you're going to invest for, how much you're going to invest, where you're going to invest. Sometimes these circumstances do change, we understand that. And so you have the opportunity to sell your units. Otherwise, there's a 2-year period where you can sell the property just to make sure that the property is sold at its highest value and there's no fire sale selling. Would you like to come outside? Absolutely, but with all the investing, we really recommend that you go and see your financial planner or your accountant because everybody's situation is different and we want to make sure that the structure's right for you. Absolutely. Again, another circle started with around 5 members. They had at least 25 grand, I think, each, and they then took that money to the bank, got a loan, and they bought a high yield rental property, and the rent actually now pays for the mortgage. Yes, you can. Ultimately, the circle makes all the decisions. We just have the team of experts around you to help you support making those decisions and help you thrive in a structure and make it a most successful property circle. Absolutely. Let me walk you out. Head over to mypropertycircles.com and sign up. Otherwise, you can send me an email or give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. See you later.